Hey guys, it's Jen from I Create Crafts. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make this light up frame using stuff from the dollar store. Here are the supplies that I need. I bought this bag from Dollar General. I think it would cost me like $1.50 or something. And then I bought these lights. Those were $2 at Dollar General. You're going to need some Scotch tape, some kind of knife or something to poke through your paper, a pair of scissors, and then a frame of your choice. I bought this one from a restore for a couple dollars. It's a lot better than the ones that I buy from Goodwill or Dollar General. It's much thicker, so I thought it was nice. So you're going to start with your bag, and you're going to just take your scissors and then carefully cut just the edges as close as you can to the sides. So I have my piece cut. So here it is. So you want to open your frame and take out your glass, or if it happens to have a back piece to it, which mine does not, it's already attached to it, so I can't use it. You want to take your glass and then put it down where you want your image to show up, what you all want in it. And I know I want the candle, and I like the 3 ornaments there, so I think I'm gonna get that. So then you want to use a pen and then mark off the edges that you can cut it straight and know exactly where you need to cut. So there we go. So I have my line on it. I'm just gonna take my scissors and just cut carefully on my line that I just drew. Okay, here's my piece. I'm gonna get rid of the extra. Then you want to take your knife and you want to look and figure out where you want to put your holes. That's kind of the fun part, and that's where the knife comes in. Or you can use a pen if you don't have one, kind of draw on it maybe. I just want to do it so I can see it in the back, so I know where to put my marks, or my lights rather. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm just going to find little spots that I want to put it. And I have 10 lights, so I have 10 spots where I can put it. So I'm just going to make a little dot in the center of this. Just small enough that you'll see it on the back, and then where the light will shine through. Here, so I found 10 spots. And I'm just gonna take my tape, since I know where the holes are now. I'm gonna take my tape, and then I'm gonna take my lights, and I'm just gonna start with the one closest to the end of the battery box, and just start going. And then take your tape and go directly over. Let's see if I can bring it in a little more. You want to take your tape and go directly over the hole that you just created. Put the light on top of it. So you're going to kind of feel around for them. This is a fun project and a good gift to give to anybody. Let's see, it's kind of hard to see. It's got to feel around for them. If you don't have these lights, you can certainly get fairy lights for this, you know, whatever you can find. Here, a couple more. Let's see, another one. And it doesn't matter about your cords because you will not see them at all. Just a few more. So it'll look messy from the back, but again, that's okay. You will not see it from the front. Here, let's see. Here. And I have one more. There we go. So it doesn't look that neat from the back, but it'll look good from the front. So let's see what it looks like. I will turn off my light. There. See how neat that looks? I'll move this away a little bit. Doesn't that look neat? And then you put it in your frame. So be careful with your glass. Take your frame, put your glass back in, and then take your image and then put that in. Close it up. You take your battery box and then you can glue it if you want down at the bottom here, or you can just tape it, whatever works best. I think I'll end up gluing it on. I think that might be the best that it would stay on. So if you have it all closed and it's all in really well, you just flip it over, and that's what it is. I think that's pretty neat, and I think anybody would like to get that as a gift, and it'd be even better if it's a little bit darker in here because I see the light shining up on it. But it's an easy, simple project to do. Gives it a little bit of light. People don't know how you did it, which is the fun part. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please subscribe and give it a big thumbs up.